Welcome back into Main Street Living. Guys, I love this show. We're talking all about the good weather and spring. And one of my favorite things that I used to do is just lay in the grass and look at the different shapes of clouds, and try to figure out what the shapes were.
I love that.
Yeah.
You're like a little meteorologist like I am. I love that. So as a meteorologist, you guys know clouds are my thing. So this do-it-yourself cloud experiment from our friend Sari Custer with the Arizona Science Center might need to go on my weekend to-do list. Check it out.
Hey guys, hope you're ready for a little more Sari on science, because today we're going to investigate a little bit of weather. Well, specifically, cloud formation. See, we're moving from winter into spring, and we always see weather and lots of clouds this time of year. So we're going to talk about cloud formation. And did you know Arizona Science Center knows how to make a cloud indoors? I'm going to show you how I made that cloud in just a moment. But first, let's talk about how clouds form in nature. First, warm, moist air rises up from the ground into the atmosphere. When it gets up high, there's a rapid drop in pressure, causing it to spread out and cool down really fast. When that happens, any of the moisture, that water that's in gas form, condenses around dust particles in the air to form water droplets. All of those droplets together form a cloud. So with the cloud we made here, I used some special ingredients. First, I used liquid nitrogen, which is 321 degrees below zero. It's really, really cold. All right, we got gloves, we got goggles, and we got a shield. Safety first. And then we used boiling hot water. When we make them combine, one that's really cold and one that's really hot, they almost have an explosive reaction. And as they're trying to both cool each other off and heat each other up, we've got rapid cooling happening for our boiling water. And when that happens, now we're starting to see this reaction that gives us our water droplets in the air, and we get a big cloud. Now, while you likely don't have liquid nitrogen at your house, I can still show you how to make your very own cloud at home. First, you're going to need a 2-liter bottle. Then you're going to need a little bit of rubbing alcohol. And last, I recommend getting one of these pressure keepers, little pumps that help keep soda pressurized. You can find them at your favorite online retailer or check around to see what store might have them near you. All right, so add a little bit of rubbing alcohol into your 2-liter bottle. You don't need too much, just a couple of tablespoons should do. Then you're going to take the pressure keeper, the little pump, and you're going to screw that right onto the top and make sure it fits really tightly. And then you're going to keep pumping so that you can build up the pressure inside the bottle. So when you're doing this, you're going to keep pumping, keep pumping. The alcohol simulates the water vapor that's in the air. So we're going to have some alcohol vapor in there. And we're going to build up the pressure and then release it. So there's a really fast drop in pressure inside the bottle. And we're going to get some of that alcohol vapor to form into droplets and form a cloud. Are you ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Right inside the bottle, a cloud in a bottle. All right, I hope that was a little bit of fun. I hope you get a chance to try that at home. If you want to find more science, you can always find us online at azscience.org.
Oh, guys, that was so much fun. When I lived in Syracuse, I actually did something like that similar on the air. The air temperature was minus 20 degrees Fahrenheit. I took some hot water, threw it up, and it went condensed into a cloud. Really, really cool. So if you like this kind of stuff like I do, you can always find more science fun and experiments to amaze your friends at azscience.org.
That's right. Well, there's no more rain happening here, but we got more of Main Street Living coming up next.